Today we will be unboxing and demonstrating the TE-LVM9, iBeam's 9-inch rearview mirror and live stream video camera. Opening the box, we have our instruction manual. Next up, our 1080p rear camera. We include vehicle-specific mounts. We have multiple cable sizes, 2 feet, 22 feet, 3 9.5-foot cables, and 1 foot and 5/16 inches, which will be more than enough for the install. And finally, our 9-inch rear view mirror. Let's move on to the demonstration. Hold the power button to turn it on. Here are some of the settings you can change. You can change the date and time, which is important for the G-sensor timestamp feature. Before you record anything, make sure you format your SD card. Now here's the backup camera and what it'll look like in the mirror. You can change the angle of the camera. For any more information on this product, you can visit ibeamusa.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.